What if I told you that many intelligent people secretly prefer old motorcycles over brand new ones? It sounds surprising because modern bikes are faster, smoother, and packed with advanced technology. So why would someone choose a machine that's decades old? The answer has less to do with money and more to do with psychology. Intelligent people often value experiences more than convenience. An old motorcycle isn't just a vehicle, it has a story. Every scratch, every dent, and every sound reflects years of history. Instead of seeing an old machine, they see character, craftsmanship, and memories that a brand new bike simply doesn't have. Another reason is curiosity. Many intelligent people enjoy understanding how things work. Older motorcycles have simpler mechanical systems, making them easier to repair and maintain. Learning how the engine works, fixing small problems, and keeping the bike running creates a deep sense of satisfaction that modern motorcycles, filled with electronics, often can't provide. Old motorcycles also demand your full attention. You listen carefully to the engine, feel every gear change, and stay completely focused on the road. This creates a more immersive riding experience, almost like mindfulness, where your mind escapes daily stress and stays in the present moment. There's also the emotional connection. Studies in psychology suggest that nostalgia can improve mood and strengthen our sense of identity. For many riders, an old motorcycle reminds them of childhood dreams, family memories, or the first time they fell in love with motorcycles. That emotional value is something no new model can manufacture. Perhaps the biggest reason is that old motorcycles reward patience. They may need more care, but every successful repair and every smooth ride feels earned. Intelligent people often appreciate this process because they enjoy solving problems rather than avoiding them. So, the next time you see someone proudly riding an old motorcycle, don't assume it's because they can't afford a new one. They may simply value history over trends, experience over convenience, and meaning over perfection. Sometimes, the smartest choice isn't the newest machine, it's the one with the greatest story to tell. Would you choose a brand new motorcycle or a classic old one? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating psychology videos.